Hi everyone, thanks for joining us at our virtual community science workshop. My name is Mr. G, and today we're going to be building a microbot. Keep in mind, Ms. Shaver is the one building the project in this video. Do you ever wonder how your battery-powered toys work when you turn them on? The microbot is a battery-powered project that vibrates when it's turned on. Vibration is quick movement back and forth around a point of balance. A circuit is a path for electrons to move to power a device. In this case, a motor. The electrons are pushed in one direction from one end of the battery through the wires to the motor and then back to the other end or terminal of the battery. When the wires, motor, and battery are all connected and the motor is working, we call this a closed circuit. When the circuit is disconnected, it is an open circuit. Let's go and talk about safety real quick. When using the glue gun, hair longer than shoulder length must be tied back and safety goggles must be worn. Do not touch the tip or sides of the glue gun. If you get hot glue on your skin, wipe it off on the table or on the clothing immediately to prevent serious injury. Do not leave hot glue guns unattended. Once the coin cell battery dies, dispose of it properly. The clothespins can pinch skin and cause injury, so ensure it is not pinned to people or animals. Also, real quick, make sure you put something down on the table to ensure the glue gun or any glue does not ruin the table you are working on. For an example, you could use a cardboard sheet that you no longer need. The materials we're going to be using to build our microbot are a clothespin, a pager motor, a coin cell battery, masking tape, pom-poms, foam shapes, and construction paper. Got some pipe cleaners, feathers, and googly eyes. We'll start the build by designing a bot using the materials provided in your kit. Make sure that you are as creative as possible and have thought about how you want your bot to look like before you start attaching materials with glue dots. It is a good idea to draw a picture of your bot first and label all of the materials you will use to create it. Next, use glue dots to attach the decorative materials that you have decided to use in your design onto your clothespin in their appropriate positions. Do not attach the pager motor or the battery in this step. Use a 5-inch piece of masking tape to tightly wrap the pager motor leads against the coin cell battery so it vibrates continuously. Remove the paper backing from the pager motor and stick it firmly anywhere on your clothespin. Use a glue dot to attach the battery to the clothespin. Now, you could clip your bot to your backpack or clothing as a decoration, or set it on a flat surface and watch it move. Vibration is quick movement back and forth or up and down around a point of balance. A circuit is a path for electrons to move to power a device. In this case, a motor. The electrons move in one direction from the battery, through the wires, through the motor, and then back to the other end of the battery. When the wires, motor, and battery are all connected, and the motor is working, we call this a closed circuit. When the circuit is disconnected, it is known as an open circuit. A couple questions for you to think about as you experiment with your microbot. How does balance affect how much your microbot moves? How could you change your microbot to make it move more? What is happening in the circuit that is causing your microbot to move? Comment below with your thoughts and ideas, and remember to like this video and subscribe to our CSW network for new virtual STEM lab projects. You can also visit our website at cswnetwork.org for free access to our project library. This is Mr. G. Until next time, we'll see you in the next project.